Hey guys, so I've had these Sony headphones MDR-1A for more than 2 years now, and as you can see, the earpads have already been worn out and the leather is starting to peel off. So I've purchased earpads replacement from Geekria. I've actually unboxed it, and inside the package there are the earpads, new one, and the piece of plastic to help to take off the earpads from the existing one. Let's figure out how to open these earpads. I think it starts from the top. Okay, you can see that it's... oh wait, the angle is starting to come off. I started off with the top, then the sides. See, it's kind of easy, and just continue going downwards. Oops, it fell off. And wait, let the camera focus. It came off already. And to put in the new one, I believe we have to take off the plastic legs from the existing one. I'm not sure if there's the indication of left and right. They both look the same to me. Let's just fit it in one of it and let's see if it works. So I've managed to get the plastic inside. You have to pull the edges and stretch the earpads a little bit so it will actually fits inside. So let's just try to replace this one first. Let's start from the bottom. Give it a push and it should go inside. This is Vector. He'll run around and play with his cube and having his own emotions. It's not locking. Let me just... okay, let's do this again. I think there are alignments to the earpads because I couldn't get it in the first time. So I'm testing out the other earpad. Let's just hope that it works this time. The two dots of the plastic goes up first, and then we're gonna stretch the casing a bit, the new earpads a bit, so that you'll actually go in. I think the only way you can tell of the direction is based on the height of the earpads. A moment, I'm gonna go in. It's left, you have to like stretch the end. Don't worry, it won't tear it. Okay, now it fits, and you can actually see that the holes are all perfectly matched compared to just now, which it isn't. Okay, I finally managed to get it in. Actually, the ones with the hole on the middle is supposed to go at the bottom of the headphone. So the whole time I couldn't get it in is because I put the hole in the middle on top. So yes, this solved the problem, and now let's do the other side, which will be quicker since I've figured out how to place it. Let's start with this. Actually, it doesn't matter which orientation you start to peel it off. I prefer going by the side because there's no pin and it will actually help this out. And you can see the bottom is the one with the hole in the middle. Helps with the orientation. So now let's just peel the plastic out again from the old one, and now to put it in. I'm gonna stretch it. And it's in. Now let's do this again. The hole in the middle to be down of the headphone. Now click and okay. Wait. Let me just click the bottom first. Now the top. Oh, wait, came off. Okay, it's in. Oh wait, it came off again. I wonder why. Oh, you have to press the sides together, both, like these two sides and then these two sides, or you can just go all the way. Just make sure you don't break the plastic, and voila, new pads. Let me adjust the earphones. It's not as soft as the original one, but it's still comfortable. The pad seems a bit thicker. Yeah, it's a little bit thicker, but I don't think it matters. I'll just take a picture and I'll okay, thanks for watching.